Hi, today we're going to talk about the VXR10 Pro from MOVO. This is a great little shotgun mic that will enhance your audio or up your production value for sure on cell phones, anything that's using kind of a built-in mic. This is going to greatly enhance things for you. It is includes a shotgun mount, shock mount, a windscreen for outdoors, as you can see here, and lots of adapters. You can adapt this thing to pretty much anything. I wanted to start with a demo of the sound that you would normally get at a relative distance on a typical phone. This is an iPhone 15 Pro Max, which has a very good microphone built into it, but it doesn't handle off-axis rejection very well, or ambient reflections from hardwood floors like this in this room. This is actually a dining room with some fairly high ceilings, hardwood floors, hard surfaces. And this is the type of sound you would get. You would get a little bit of slap back. You can hear like kind of a little echo, definite reverb. And what I wanted to do is just kind of show you what a typical modern phone would sound like versus using the MOVO shotgun mic. Okay, so here is an example of the MOVO VXR10 Pro on board my iPhone. So you can hear the difference as there's a lot of off-axis rejection using a shotgun mic like this, where it blocks out much of the ambient noises, reflections from walls and ceilings and hard surfaces. So it sounds more professional and more focused on your talking head, or who's actually speaking to the camera, or where it's pointed. And this is at a normal distance, you know, probably 2 feet away, maybe a little further than that, not quite 3 feet. And it sounds really good. The articulation's great. It handles most of the external noise. I'm in a living room here, and it's very echoey in here. It's almost like it just sounds like a gym. But I'm very impressed with this MOVO. And if you're in the market for something like this, I highly recommend taking a look at this particular one. It's a great value, does a very good job, sounds very professional, and it can adapt to most different kinds of phones. You could use this with pretty much anything. There's little adapters that you can use, and it comes with a nice windscreen as well, and shock mounts. So if you're looking for one, I suggest taking a look at the MOVO VXR10 Pro. Thank you.